We've got 4 triangles here, each with some unknown angles that we have to find. Let's start with the first one. We have a triangle with 2 known angles, that's 83 and 65, and we need to find the third one, which is unknown. All triangle angles add up to 180 degrees, so we can use this property to find that one. So it's going to be 180 minus 65 plus 83, and what you're going to find is that x is equal to 32 degrees. For the second one that looks like a sailboat, we do have some exterior angles we need to find. However, of course, we can use the straight angles to help us out. We do have 29 here. We just need to find A. Those two adding up together will equal 180 degrees. So subtracting that, 180 minus 29 will give you 151 degrees, and that is A. You can do the same for B. 180 minus 36 will give you B. B is going to be 144 degrees, because those two angles together, 36 and 144, equal that straight angle that you see. To find D, it's helpful to keep in mind that this is a 90-degree angle. We know that all 3 angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees, and because of that right angle, we have 2 known angles. So all you need to do is subtract the 90 degrees and the 36 degrees from 180, and you will get 54 degrees as a result. You can do the same for C as you did for D. There is a right angle right here. It's assumed from the last triangle. So that's going to be 180 minus 90 plus 29. And what you're going to get as a result is 61 degrees. For the third triangle, we have some exterior angles and some straight angles that will help us out. Let's start with P. P plus the exterior angle is going to equal 180 degrees. So 180 minus 128 is going to equal 52. Same with Q. You'll notice there's an exterior angle of 111 degrees, but if you add that with the interior angle, which is Q, that should be 180 degrees because it makes a straight angle. So 180 minus 111 is equal to 69 degrees. For R, we know that all 3 angles of a triangle add up to 180 degrees. So you're going to have 180 minus the 2 angles that we did find already. That's going to be P and Q. That's going to be 52 and 69. So when you subtract those 2 from 180, you will get 59 degrees for R. T, you can find out using the straight angle property, because it's a supplementary angle to 71. So you have 180 minus 71, and that will get you T, which is going to be 109 degrees. S you can find because you know that all angles around a point, adding them up together, will give you 360 degrees. We have 3 of those angles, so what you're going to have is 360 minus 71 degrees plus 109 degrees plus 59 degrees. Okay, so the sum of those known angles, and what you have left over is 121 degrees. That's going to be your S. For the last triangle, we have evidence here that points to this being an isosceles triangle, so we can use that property. That means that if this is a 34-degree angle, then this will be a 34-degree angle as well. E can be found because the angles of a triangle add up to 180. So you're going to have a 180 minus the 2 known angles, which is 34 and 34. And the answer for E is going to be 112 degrees. F can be found because E and F make a straight angle. They're supplementary angles. So what you have is 180 minus 112, which will give you 68 degrees as an answer. So this is 68.